Excuse me. So, welcome back, Blood Years. Today we will play in the game called Vector. So, this is the man called Vector, or named Vector. Oh, what's that? I think it's a ghost. I hope so, because if I see a ghost tricking with me, playing jokes with me, I will kill his freaking ass. Your demon, please stay away from me, or I will beat your ass, because I have the power of God. I have God in my heart. If you're a demon, please don't make me pizza. So right, let's continue. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you haven't and click the liking icon, please click it. And also, please hit the bell icon and please put a comment, whatever you had on your hand. So, bloody ears, this is the time we meet again. So let's play. It's nice to see you again, bloody ears. Because we haven't seen for a long time because of my training and practices and exercises and studies, of course. So let's play right now. Ah, shit, nice. Please don't tolerate any customers. What the hell, dude? What the hell? One more time. Come on, bad boy, you can do it. You can do it, bad boy. Woo! Almost. Slide down, man. You sound like it. You son of a... Son of a what? What big jump for your life, man? It's so hard, baby. Come on. Is there another solution for that? Meron bang solution para doon? Nakakainis. Sorry, mo. Favorite ko bang nito? Ay, hindi. Hindi pa rin yun. Oh, naman. What? Ano yan? Teka naman, paano ba kasi nandito sa level 1 to 3 na ito? Medyo nahihirapan na nga. Okay, subukan ulit natin. Start. Ay! Munti ka na ako dun ah. Munti ka na mahulog dun ah. Buti hindi natuluyan kasi hindi kami nagkatuluyan. Shit, ang sakit. Ay! Sige lang, Vector. Parang awa mo na. Bigyan mo ako ng pabor. Gawan mo ako ng pabor. Big favor to para sa akin. May talon mo lang. May talon mo lang. Parang awa mo na. Buisit ka talaga, Vector. Ba? Kahit mapagod ka, hanggat di mo narating yun, wala akong pake. Tago mo ang pinapagasayaw, wala nga maka-Victor. Victor, magtanggal. O reverse 360. Dapat ginawa mo ng reverse sa layup yun eh. Talo tuloy kami, tabak tuloy kami. 32 out of 100,000. Mabigat ka pa. Come on, Vector, do me a favor. Apologize, commercial. There was a commercial, so I cut this video. Black Blast. Yun yung commercial. Apologize, okay? Okay. Vector, please do me a favor. One big favor. Ba naman yun? Ito ganun. Oh my goodness. Okay, nice yung binibigay. Kakasulit nga lang ito ng 10 pages isang araw. Mahalan siya kahit. Kahit nga ako nakakadin eh. Tama naman. You little shit, Vector. You did not do me a favor. You failed me, dude. You failed me. You failed my gaming skills. What the hell, Vector? I thought you were a good parkour guy, but
I have a
ang nakakainis pa, what is more annoying, that there was a lot of commercial. Sobrang daming commercial sa bawat minuto na nagsistream ako ngayon. Visit na yan, Vector. Hindi mo nga naitalon yun. Pinapairam mo ako, tapos ito mga commercial na ito, hindi na nakawa. Mayroon bang commercial free dito? Sana kung meron, please free naman. Gusto ko free. Ano ba naman yan? Buiset. Parang nga mo na, Vector. Parang nga mo na. Please, this time, don't make me fail again. You were running for your life, Vector. You were running for your life and to express your hinain or yung mga problema mo sa buhay. Tapos, ganyan gagawin mo. How can you express yourself, Vector? Noise. Keep it running, dude. Keep it running for the life. Don't make me fail again this time. Noise. Whee! Oh, that was a nice transition to that. Nice move, buddy. Nice move. So, for the 4.633 seconds. Bounces. None. Okay. Well, guys. I think I was on a bad day. Or this day is just like a little piece of shit. You know why? I stepped on the shit on a hook, and then my teacher ordered me to write down. I will bring next time my materials in TLA 8 subject grade 8. 10 times. 10 pages, dude. 10 pages. Tapos, marami yung kamalasan na nagawa ngayon. Ako kung bakit. Di naman medyo, pero kasama na yung Vector kasi pinapahirapan lang ako nito. Di naman medyo madami, pero nakakapa ko ng tae, mga ganun. Pasensya na sa kumakain. Always to wherever is sitting. So, pero mabuti may award naman ako dito. Thank you. Okay. Hindi nainis na medyo. So, Baka dito na lang bloody years ha. Kung bitin man lang kayo, pero mag-upload pa rin ako maya-maya. So, huwag nyo kakalimutan mag-like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icons for more updates. Bye-bye, bloody years.